Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're focusing on transforming your living room with the fresh and vibrant colors of spring, pink and green. Let's see how these lively colors can refresh your space. Spring symbolizes renewal, and what better way to embrace this season than by refreshing your living room? Pink and green are perfect for creating a vibrant yet harmonious atmosphere. From soft blushes to energetic fuchsias and from soothing sages to rich emeralds, these colors blend the warmth of spring with the vitality of nature. Colorful combinations. Imagine starting with a plush pink sofa, soft to the touch and inviting. Accent this beautiful piece with emerald green throw pillows for a striking contrast. Add an area rug with green tones to tie the space together. For a little extra flair, why not include a statement armchair in a bold green velvet? It's not just comfortable, it's a style statement. To really bring the spring vibe indoors, let's talk accessories. A few strategically placed pink and green books on the coffee table, alongside a vase of fresh pink peonies and lush greenery, can really make the room pop. And for that perfect pop of color, how about a stunning piece of wall art that features abstract expressions of pink and green? Integrating pink and green into your living room isn't just about adding color. It's about creating a space that feels both rejuvenated and stylish. These tips will help you achieve a fresh spring look that's sure to impress. Did you find these tips helpful? If so, please subscribe and like for more decor inspiration. I hope our style fits your home, and we will see you next time with more ideas to beautify your home. Thank you.